Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Bonanza. Bonanza. We pray for better luck today. In this video, I'm going to be presenting just one line to direct. I don't have permutation for this video. Reason is I've been announcing this that I have a special game for Bonanza today. It's a key and it's already been sent to my guys already, so I don't want them to have too much stake. So just one line to direct according to what this plan is saying. Then we have another 3 direct key inside. Let's go straight. But before we go, if this video find you or you find this video, please like this video for me. And most importantly, let me know your kind opinion. I want you to comment on what you pick on this event. Let's go straight to it. A 3 numbers in position, third time in the history, second time on board. The first time this game is setting here on Bonanza's own board at event number 21. 27 should play in second ball winning. 48 will play in fourth ball winning, and 64 will play in center ball winning. When these games play, 64, one free banker carries 64. First time. Second time, 27 second ball winning, 48 to play fourth ball winning, and 64 would play center ball machine. 64 will move in, one free banker. On Bonanza's current plan at event number 897, 27 to play in second ball winning, 48 to play in fourth ball winning, and 64 would play in center ball machine. Banker 64 in position to play in dropped life. After playing this game, 64 should move in. The following week, observe this, 38, this one played it to machine. It said it will play with 68. On this one we are following. I'll follow the plan here because the one on Bonanza would actually just indicate it for us. This game, as a matter of fact, this game has really helped me and most of us here severally. It supplied us one banker that played, two direct that played 5 times this same plan. One banker is uncountable. Let's go. But I won't go straight into it. I won't go more details into it today. I don't want the video to be too long. Now, the following week after 64, this is showing 38.69, while the one there is showing 38.68. But when we got back here, when the result came, it followed the compare. 38 did not just play, 38 played in position. And 68 or 69 want to play 2 direct dropped live. Okay. Here 38.69, both in position. Now, after supplying us these 2 numbers, the following week, this is showing us 65. And the one on Bonanza as well, second time on Bonanza, is still showing us 65. And it said it will play in machine. It also said 38 to play in machine. But this our compare said 65 is a winning banker. And coming on the current plan, yes, 65 happens to be a live banker as well. After these 2 numbers, imagine winning 2 direct last week and you still have enough money to carry another 1 banker after winning 1 banker. We won this game for about 6 weeks back to back, and it's supplying us a 2 direct live today. So please watch the video to the end and tell me your kind suggestion on this video. So to avoid this video being too long, this is a very long plan. Let's take it here. When these plans move 50 weeks down, 50 weeks down, should we count it? No, please count it yourself. The video will be excessively long to me to count 1, 2, 3, but use your calculator. From here, 21, event 21 to event number 71, that should be 50 weeks. On board, it dropped 75 to center ball position. Play with 29 in the machine. On the compare here, after all these games, after this one, from here, the 50 weeks is from 27, 48, 64. Don't be confused. But from here, 50 weeks down, this one did not use 50 weeks. And this one is more detailed than the one on Bonanza. But let's go on it straight like this. After that, 50 weeks down, this one did not use 50. It used 48. 79 will play in center ball machine. Play with 29. When they play finish, this is showing us free banker 90 to play with 62. It insists they are playing to winning. The one here on board is also showing us 90 again. Remember, this one has proven bankers, has marked machine bankers for winning for us severally. I just don't want the plan to be too long here. Now, this one here as well now today has dropped this key control in position. He said 90 will play with 62. This one here said 90 would play with 26. The one that has really helped me said it will play with 62 and 24. This one here confirms banker 90 to play with 26, the turning of 62 and the turning of 24. Now, there is a way of forecast we have here. Now, when we get to an event like this, we see 62 play here. This one that has really helped said 62 should play here, 62 should repeat. This 62 will help me have just one line to direct. It means this is where we are going, and 24 is on the table. Now, before 75 will play to center ball machine, I want you to know it's not a mistake. 1, 2, 3 weeks, 46 will play. Before 75 play to center ball machine, 1, 2, 3 weeks, 46 will play to winning. On the current as well, before, please count it yourself from 27 in position. I don't want my video to be too long. 27 and 48, event 897 to event 947. You should see it's the same counting weeks. 75 played in position. Before 75 played in position, third time, 1, 2, 3. Expect 46. Now, after 46 has played, now I am leaving you guys with 62 and 90 to play with 24. My own pickings. One line to direct, 90, 62 with 24. So, thank you for coming to watch this video. If you find value in this content, like this video for me. If you want me to post more video, if you see I've not posted video in a while, Like this video for me. If I don't get enough engagement, I will not be able to post. Comment whatever is your own take in this. But as for me, the one here has really helped us a lot. It has really helped a lot. I remembered when he set this one for us, a lot of bankers, when he set these two, Bonanza did not set it. When he dropped 33 for us, Bonanza did not set it. As a matter of fact, it has really helped us more than Bonanza. I remembered when he played 69, when he played 60-18 in position. If you are a follower of this channel very well, if the last time he played 60 and 18 in position, I predicted just three numbers from this same plan, and that was our two direct was 79-80. Just one line two direct, 79-80. It showed it live. And if you observe it here, when it dropped this 79-80 showed live for us. This did not display on Bonanza at all. So there's this saying that say put your money where your mouth is. So this is where my own mouth is. Please, if you find any other thing here, let me know in the comment section so that we can win it both together. 1962 and 24 is my prediction as displaying on the screen. Thank you for coming to watch this video. I wish us good luck. People that have been chatting me, double key, double key, double key. If you observe, we have one of those three numbers in the key. I've sent it to everybody that really matters on my WhatsApp group. Those are the people that used to reward. You should have gotten it before AM. Thank you for coming to watch this video. I wish us good luck. 3 direct. That double number in the game I sent, please use it with 90 and 62 as a 3 direct live. That also is a 3 numbers. Good luck.